All right, so the next one is, hello there. I have seen an offer on the internet that says they will make a local business schema that updates automatically once the corresponding GMB gets more reviews. Is it actually possible to pull information from another source page in the schema? If so, how? Probably. I mean, I'm not sure exactly which service you're talking about, but my guess would be that the schema code is injected or inserted into the page dynamically through some sort of JavaScript, so that essentially the schema code is being hosted and hosted on that service's server or whatever, and that they're just serving the schema remotely via JavaScript or some sort of container, kind of like Tag Manager would do. And so therefore, if they're pulling in, how the number of reviews that automatically ups or dynamically updates whenever new reviews come in, then it could automatically update through their own service, the schema code. I've not used any of those. I do use Schema app. I have been using that for, well, damn near a year now for just kind of coding, but I don't use it to deploy onto the sites. I know there's some services out there right now that will do that. They'll deploy Schema onto sites for you. Don't personally like those because you're kind of married to those services at that point. I've kind of taken the Rob's lead on this about, I might use Schema app to create the schema code, but instead of having Schema app deploy it to my sites, which is possible with Schema app, I just copy the JSON code and then paste it manually into the header of each page. That way, if there's any, again, I'm not married to I don't have to always use Schema app, if that makes sense. That's just an example, but that's probably how they're doing it. And that would be my guess. Any input from you on that one?
No, I totally agree. That's the way it needs to be done. You have to have a way to have it inserted, to have, first of all, crawl the GMB to find the new review, to bring it back, and then to update on your page. So it's a scrape and then show through JavaScript. I don't see any other way or else it has to be manual. There's no other way that you can read the review, right? That you can go and scrape the review and bring it back.
Yeah.
But yes, I don't see why it can't be done. I don't see